project at Iona College here started because some friends and colleagues sent me a link to the Hurston Biofabrication Institute's call to arms for anyone with 3D printing capabilities in the community to start producing these 3D printed frames. The Hurston Biofabrication Institute was looking to produce 3,000 of these in 3 weeks. With Iona's capabilities, we were able to produce that in a number of days alone. The Institute provides the design files for the frames and takes care of all the logistics of distribution, the sanitisation and the assembly of the final unit. So we print out these small frames in large stacks out of each printer, and when we deliver them to the Institute, they'll assemble them with a clear plastic shield and have them sanitised and distributed to their community. After getting in contact with the Biofabrication Institute to make sure our printers were suitable for the task, we got to work assembling 10 more printers with 10 more on the way, making a total of 23 printers at Iona College that are capable of printing 24 hours a day. The response to this project has been phenomenal, not only in the Iona community itself, but people far and wide reaching out to see how they can donate and support the project. We received donations from private business in the Oblates that allow us to reach out to a local 3D printing supplier to acquire a large quantity of this consumable material. A roll this size will allow our printers to run for 24 hours, and this roll will last about 4 days and produce 4 stacks around this size. Since starting this project, we've received many requests from other organisations such as hospitals, dental practices, some rural locations and even some international organisations looking to see whether we can support them as well or how they can get involved. Other schools and other communities of 3D printers have also been in contact, particularly Masnod in Victoria, wanting to get on board and do a similar project. It's incredibly gratifying to have the resources and the ability and the capability to be able to contribute to this very worthwhile project. Being a design teacher, teaching students about using technology to their advantage and being able to produce products that can make a meaningful difference to people's lives and have an empathetic effect to understand the needs of the community and respond to that quickly is very important to the heart of this project. And we're ready to make a difference here.